Hi, let's do a word related problem in algebra today. The problem goes like this. James is 1/3 the age of his father George. Their combined age is 68. Find their ages. So what do you understand from this problem? James is the son of George. What is the age of James? We don't know. What's the age of George? We don't know. That's what we have to find out. But there are clues to that. What is James' age? It is 1/3 the age of his father George. Suppose George age is 30. Then what will be James' age? It is 1/3. So 30 into 1 by 3. What is it? 10. So James' age will be 10. Suppose George's age is 39. What will be James' age? It will be 1 by 3. It will be 13. This is what we have to find out, but we don't know this. So let us assume George's age as x. So what will be James' age then? 1/3 of x. Okay, so what is the next clue? Their combined age is 68. That is when you add these two, you get 68. Shall we add now? X plus 1 by 3. X is equal to 68. Wow, now we have arrived at an equation. Now it is going to be very easy to find it out. Shall we solve this equation? Multiply both sides by 3. So what is now? 3x plus 3 into 1 by 3x. This and this will get cancelled, is equal to 204. That is 3x plus x is equal to 204. 3x plus x is what? 4x. 4x is equal to 204. So what is shall we divide both sides by 4 to find out the value of x? Both sides by 4. So what now 4 and 4 gets cancelled. We are left out with x here this side. You divide 204 divided by 4, you will get 51. So what x is 51. But what is x? It is George's age. So George's age is 51. Now what is James' age then? 1/3 of x. That is 51 into 1 by 3. You will get 70. Okay, this is the answer. George's age is 51 and James' age is 70. Okay. Now we have solved this problem. I shall come out with another age related problem in my next video. Till then, bye bye.